Bw'Ekiama kia Jubilee nige kiame kio giakorera Amaoncherio ase OBORAI bwaye magega yegikaro kia neka ase Amaoncherio ayo Honorable Ole Kenta niga achorirwe koba omoriki Bw'Ekiama ekere gokonye Jeremiah kione ikaranserete chingaki omweshimiwa Zack Kinuthia nigo nerarachi koba omokonyi bw'omoriki Bw'Ekiama ekio ribaga riomotenereri bw'emeroberio y'Ekiama nigo ryairwe oyo omonyekano na Yasin Nur Haji chingaki mweshimiwa Vincent Mugaga Kemosi nere arachi koba Bw'Ekiama ekyo ya Jubilee.
The Honorable Moitalel Ole Kenta as our new Secretary General in Jubilee to Kenyan politics and leadership. He served as a member of Parliament before political player. We are grateful for the work that moves forward to benefiting from the leadership as he plays his role. We want to be a party of substance, not a party of respect. The NEC has approved this morning the proposal and appel. Mr. Torome has been until now the national chairman of Jubilee. Vincent Mugaga Kemosi, Honorable Kemosi, practicing lawyer, the political practice in the country, is joining our ranks in strengthening and developing our party. Next is that fused to focus on other activities.